In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear door seal on a Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located behind the rear door. Let's get started. Using a trim tool, we're going to get under our trim and we're going to pop this straight up. Remove the trim. Remove the trim in the front. And do that same thing. Go down the line and pop all of your clips. And slide the trim out. We're going to remove our side panel. To do this, you can use a trim tool and get up behind, or reach your fingers back and give it a nice tug. It'll release all the clips and you can move that trim piece off to the side. I have the rear seats tilted down in the back. We're going to remove this rear trim cover. To do that, you can use a trim tool and get under it, or get your fingers under and slowly go down, popping the clips. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws. We're going to grab up at the top of this trim piece. We're going to give it a jerk backwards. Move the trim piece out of the way. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 3 bolts for the hold down. Remove the hold down. Remove the door seal. Grab it and peel it back. And remove it from the vehicle. We're going to install our new door seal. And get it started on the bottom. When we do this, we're going to make sure it falls into our channel. Keep going around that sill until your seal is fully installed. Go back around and just give it a push and make sure it's fully seated all the way around the door. Going to install our trim piece back into place. Get it lined up, and then go down the back, pushing all the clips into place. Install the screws. Install the rear trim piece into place. Go through and set all the clips. Install the handle into place. Get that clip set. And we'll get all of our bolts started. Snug all the bolts down. Install the trim piece. Install all the clips. Install the front trim piece. Push it down into place and set all the clips. Install the trim panel. Get all of the clips lined up. Push them down into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.